Hey people, get ready with me. On Pampers as me get ready for go on my brethren death funeral, you see me? And before me even run off in a video, people, me just want to say, yo, man. Better not just lock down and hold off with the one queen and just marry her in my G. Cause out of road sticky in a brother. Right now, see the one that get bitten by the kitten and gone all because him stubborn, bro. And could hold out to the one woman, you see me? So better just lock off one B, my G, and do so, you see me? Yeah, man, so we got some bumps. You know, some more while as a yard, man, as a in the street, youth. When I really have no church clothes, you see me? So you don't know, say, one jeans pants will be at the funeral, you see me? And if it don't fit tight, it don't fit right, you see me? And as you know, as a yard, man, only one shoes can wear at the funeral, you know? That is a Clarks desert, you see me? So as you can meticulously scrutinize the Clarks clean. Never touch the ground yet, fresh off I plane, my G. Look at the cheese how it clean. Not a rat to the cheese. And as you know, if you don't have any tag, better you send it back in the bag. Cause you just get robbed. You see me? So we got some bumps. Brand new Clarks pan foot, you see me? Yeah, man, as you can see, belly big as usual like Angie knows, but YAAD, man. If your belly big, it just big, brother, make it work, you see me? No shame in that. So right now, we say we are going to deal with the top, and as a YAAD, man, as an industry youth, we have to get one of the funeral shirt, them. Big up to my brethren, death, gone too soon. So we got some whoosh, well clean. Rest in peace, my bro, you don't know. Next thing you don't know, say as a YAAD, man, we have a piece of gold chain with the cross, of course, Cause God be saying, God over devil straight. Even though the only time church see when we have a wedding or a funeral, I God we say straight same way, you see me? Yeah, man, you don't know if you draw a piece of watch, even though we not watch the time, But we go say, psych! Cause barrel rich. If gold upon the chain, gold off it upon the wrist, too bad, bro. Blind we are blind them, you see me? What them feel like, them better than we? Gold off the beat, you see me? And you don't know if gold upon the left hand, then gold off it upon the right hand, bad, bro. So we go say, draw a piece of ring, you see me? And you don't know next thing we have to splash on piece of cologne in a cause I hear, man, we never think it. And man, you hear me, You see that cologne, yeah? Bad like yours, you see me? So we got some whoosh and splash it on, you see me? And you don't know the next thing jacket affi beat, No matter how it's sun blaze out there, bro, G. Cause we affi have a certain look, not because, when the can't look better than we, but well on the pause. Cause as a YAAD, man, no look is complete without the shades, people. Cause the sun might add out there, And the next thing, we're not too bally and them thing there, people. I'm making the nose still, so I know them man from a taller time, My brethren, them, my dopes, this, people. Gone too soon, So you don't know if I 1-2 tears I go drop and we can't really make people say what go on away and them thing there, you see me? So if I do so and dash on the shades, people. And if I bright, in a white, so me stay now, people. Oh, me look here now, people. Clean like Jesus police record, you see me? One Pampers represent for death funeral, people. You don't know, Condolence to the general, One death, I could have never two. Rest in peace, my G. Gone too soon, you see me?